Want to get voice chat on Roblox but not sure how? I'm here to help. So in order to begin, you need to either open the Roblox app or visit the Roblox website on your computer or the mobile device. This guide is applicable to both platforms. So next, navigate to the top right corner of the Roblox interface. Click on the gear icon. Upon accessing the settings, proceed to the account info section. This process remains the same for the mobile devices as well. Click on the account info. You are now on the page to activate voice chat on Roblox. The initial step involves verifying your age. To enable the voice chat on Roblox, you must be at least 13 years old. If you meet this requirement, proceed with the age verification process. Prepare a valid ID and use a smartphone for the verification. Scan the QR code using your camera app or the QR code scanner from your app store. Follow the prompts to take photos of your ID and a selfie. Ensure that the information is clear, but blur any sensitive details. Once the photos are processed, your age will be verified. This verification process is secure and conducted by Roblox following the strict regulations. After verifying your age, you can now enable the voice chat. Navigate to the privacy settings on the left-hand side. Refresh the page if necessary. Look for the beta features section and enable the voice chat. Agree to the terms and conditions, then tap on enable. Once successful, you can now use voice chat in Roblox. Join a Roblox game to test the voice chat feature, and you will see a microphone icon above your character. Unmute yourself to start speaking, and if you encounter any issues, check your audio settings. Ensure the correct input and output devices are selected, and your microphone should now be active, allowing you to communicate with other players effortlessly. So this was all about it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.